Hello students, welcome to JB Study Channel. Today in the natural world, we are going to learn about animal talk. Animals are not able to talk like us, but they can communicate among themselves and get their messages across. Our domestic pets are excellent examples of animals which try their best to communicate with humans. Throughout the animal kingdom, from the simplest creature to the most complex, some form of communication takes place. The study of animal behavior is called ethology. The study of animal communication is called zoosemiotics. The classical ethological view of communication was developed by these scientists, including two Austrians, Karl von Frisch and Konrad Lorenz, and a Dutch-born British researcher, Nicolas Timbergen. Here we will see some animals that how they communicate with us. Dogs. Dogs can use their body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, their tails, ears and eyes to convey their messages. Dolphins. Dolphins use whistles to communicate among themselves. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees communicate among themselves through facial gestures, loud sounds, and sign language. Whether it is a warning or a fight, they usually scream or make loud noises. Elephants. Elephants communicate through making low rumbling sounds that can travel over many kilometers. Other elephants pick these signals through their feet. Honeybee. When a honeybee finds food, it flies back to the hive and starts dancing. By running up and down or by shaking its rear in a waggle dance, it indicates the direction and distance of the food source. Cat. If a cat is nervous or scared, it will arch her back. Also, it uses sounds like purr, hiss, howl, chirp, and of course meow. Monkeys. Monkeys have evolved many ways of communication, including visual cues, auditory calls, and even some olfactory signals. Lion. Head rubbing or nuzzling is a common greeting behavior of lions. They also communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including purrs, snarls, meows, and hissing. Birds. Birds twitter, chirp, peep, warble, and sing to communicate the location of a food source. Birds use songs, call notes, and behavior to communicate with each other. Fish. Fish communicate by gesture and motion. Some species use electrical pulses as signals and some use bioluminescence like that of the firefly. Snakes. Snakes uses pheromones chemicals for communication. Communication is carried out by snakes by collecting, leaving, or analyzing pheromones. Starfish. Scientists have found that starfish communicate through chemical signals. They can excrete chemicals into the water to send messages to others of their species. Horses. Horses have two basic forms of communication, vocal and body language. A mere look, a flick of ears, or the turn of the head. Horses can communicate to each other and to us. Lizards. Lizards use direct or indirect touch as form of communication, such as nudging, licking, biting, or bumping another lizard. Thus, communication is an adaptation which helps animals to survive. It can be auditory, visual, tactile, and chemical, tastes and smells. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon to watch more videos.